My Life in a Future, Part 2. Question 1. Why will you graduate with honors from Manuela Beltrán University if you are only beginning to study? Okay, I am a very persevering person, committed and above all demanding with myself. Since the first semester I have had an average too high, and so I will continue to finish my studies. Question 2. How will you be working in Virgin Mobile in the near future if today you are in a very different field? Answer. I know the boss at the branch of Bogota. He saw me average and he knows my quality as an employee, and he told me to give him the resume so that he will barely turn 18 to work in his Sky unit. Question 3. How will you get all the money necessary for an specialization and a master degree? As I mentioned earlier in my presentation, I will get a gym sponsored by the Bogota Boxing League, which will give me the livelihood and passive income which will leave me with an amount of money directed to my studies. Question 4. Will you change all your plans if you will win the Baloto? No. My objectives are already drawn. Winning the Baloto, just looking to invert most to generate more profits. Question 5. How will help the technology development to stop the destruction of planet resources if those industries consume huge quantities? Answer. Technology is something that has been working for a while now. The environmental damage, little by little, has caused more problems for what in recent years has been given great importance. You can generate a renewable energy generator that has nothing to do with oil and that simply works better than this. The technology and the development of smart chips for the elimination of methane gas and oxygen production will help generate what we are doing truck today. Indeed, that is the lack of trees which fulfill this function naturally. So technology and population decline is a key to recover our environment. Thanks for your attention. I am Diego Jimenez, engineering software student. Thanks.